Okay, so gentlemen, welcome to class. So March 15, we are looking at resistance in parallel circuit. So we looked at resistance in the series circuit. We say that resistance in series circuit, the formula for it is total resistance is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. However, we derived the total resistance in a parallel circuit last class. Now, this is a formula that 1 over the total resistance in a parallel circuit is equal to 1 over the first resistor plus 1 over the value of the second resistance plus 1 over the value of the third resistance. Now, when we get the answer from here, so we're going to use some numbers, but the number that we would get over here, which would be equal to 1 over RT, would not be the value for the total resistance. It would be 1 over the total resistance. So we would have to reciprocate that value in order to get the total resistance. So let us do that now. I am going to use 2, 4, and 6 as my resistance values. 2, 4, and 6. Let's go. So we're back. So using 2, 4, and 6, we would do basic arithmetic, adding these fractions of our total of our resistance. So in a parallel circuit, 2 would be the value of the resistance of one resistor, 4 would be the next value, 6 would be the third value. So in the formula, you would have to put 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 6, and these are summed to give you 1 over the total resistance. So let us go and find the LCM, that's the least common multiple, to make the work a lot easier on us in calculating. So 24 seems to be that value. So 2 into 24 goes 12 times, 12 ones, 12. 4 into 24, 6 times, 6 ones, 6. And 6 into 24, 4 times, 4 ones, 4. Now we sum what we have in our numerator and ensure that we still have it over 24. Let's move down to this line here. So 1 over our total resistance is going to be equal to 12 plus 6 plus 4, which gives us 22 over 24. 22 over 24. Now 22 over 24 is equal to 1 over total resistance. We need to find our total resistance. So what we need to do is reciprocate the left hand side and reciprocate the right hand side. Let's go ahead and do that. We are going to get RT, which is our total resistance. That's what we want, over 1. So total resistance over 1 is the same thing as just your total resistance. So this is going to be equal to the reciprocal of this side, which is 24 over 22. And this is going to be in ohms. 24 over 22 ohms. And we're going to calculate this straight down to its simplest term in decimals. So in its decimal form, this is rounded off to be equal to 1.09 ohms. And let me write that ohms a little better. So this is omega ohms, or unit for resistance. So that's it. Take a look at it.